Hello, Hypatia. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, Hypatia, can you show us how old you are?
Like this.
No, you're not 2. How old are you? Show us. How old are you?
I just do like this.
How old are you?
I don't know.
You're 3. You know you're 3. Okay, show me your 3 fingers. That's how many fingers is that? 1, 2, 4.
Put your pinky down.
3. Okay, show us what Daryl taught you.
Taylor told
Yeah.
me to balance.
No, not balance. He showed you this, right?
Yeah, he told me like this.
What does that mean?
Look it, I'm doing it.
Okay. Can somebody press her button?
Okay. Press. Try.
Okay.
Press.
Okay.
Cheese.
Okay. Say see you later.
See you later.
See you later. Come over here, Daphne. Go next to Hypatia. Come on, I can't see you. Say see you later.